You've probably heard of this before. The server is down, server error, cannot connect to the server. But what exactly is the server? Is it some big machine somewhere? Or is it something special? Let me break it down in the simplest way possible. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Jason, a software engineer currently based in Ghana, and on this platform I talk about tech, my developer journey, and any new findings that I come across. So if this is something that resonates with you, do hit the subscribe button and let's get on with the video. Simply put, a server is a computer that provides services to other computers. And that's it. Let me break it down. Your phone is a computer. Your laptop is also a computer. A server is also basically just a computer. But its job is to respond to requests from other computers. Let's bring this home with a real life example. Let's say you open Instagram. You tap the app, then suddenly your feed loads, messages show, and pictures appear. Where is all this data coming from? You may ask. It's coming from the server. Well, into more detail, it's coming from the database through the server. Your phone sends a request to the Instagram server to get your feed, and the Instagram server comes back with a response saying, here's your feed. Okay, not to make this confusing, let's take this example. Say you go to a chop bar and you make a request for food. The waiter comes, takes your order and sends it to the kitchen. The kitchen then prepares your food, and then your food comes back to you through the waiter. Now in this situation, the kitchen is your server. Get it? It receives requests and sends back response. If you remember from my previous video, you know that the waiter is the API. You are learning. In this example, the API is the waiter, the server is the kitchen, and the database is where the ingredients are stored. What can servers actually do? They can send web pages, store and send data, handle logins, process payments and run applications, and many more. Basically, they do all the heavy work behind the scenes. A server isn't always a big machine in a room. It could be a powerful computer, a cloud-hosted server, which technically are still computers. Even the regular computer or phone you're using to watch me right now can be a server. What makes it a server is not what it looks like, but what it actually does. Now, why do servers matter? Websites won't load, apps won't work, you can't log in, and there will be no data fetched. Imagine you go to Instagram and you try to log in and nothing happens. That's usually when the server is down. Imagine you open an app and it says no server available or server can't be reached. It's almost like going to a chop bar and they're saying there's no food. Some people think server is equal to backend, but not necessarily. The backend runs on the server. The server is the environment that makes the backend logic work. So recap, a server is a computer that receives requests and then gives back a response. If this felt confusing before, don't worry, it's completely normal. If you learned something from this video, do give it a like, comment, subscribe, and if you feel this would help someone also learning tech, do give it a share as well. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching and catch you in the next one. Until our next commit, happy coding. It's coming from the server. All this in this example, the API. A server isn't always a big machine in a part. The server is the environment that makes the bucket.